to day 22. Also, on yesterday's video, I meant to say day 21 instead of day 20. It happens. So my waist is 26. I think it's about the same as yesterday. So that's a total of 2 inches off my waist since day 1. No kitty. No kitty. Hips are about 36 3/4, and thighs are no kitty. Still 20.5. And the scale says 128.4. Yes. So now I'm down to the 120s. So excited, finally. So that's 3.5 more pounds. 3.5 more pounds and I'll reach my goal weight after 21 days of eating fruit. Lots and lots and lots of fruit and nuts and seeds. So it does work. Exercise definitely helps me get down to this level or down to this weight much faster. I probably would have dropped the weight anyway, but it would have taken a lot longer. Exercise just boosts your weight loss a ton. So if you want to get really slim, really fast, exercise every day for as long as you can. And it really does make you feel so much better. Your body needs to move and sweat. So, but if you want to prolong it, don't exercise and just eat a healthy diet. A non-fattening diet is key. And it's very easy to eat a non-fattening diet. Once you start doing it, you will get more and more used to it. And it becomes very easy. And one way to tell if something is healthy for you or something is not healthy for you is in the way you feel after you eat. Like, think about how you feel after you eat a huge hamburger smothered in cheese and pig meat and cow meat with an enormous plate of French fries and a big old soda. How do you feel after you eat something like that? I always felt pretty bad, or definitely not good after eating something like that. I would just feel like I couldn't even get out of my chair. I remember having to say so many times to people just jokingly, "You're going to have to roll me out of this restaurant because I can't even move," because of all the non-fibrous food I just ate. Animal products and dairy contain no fiber whatsoever. Dietary fiber, is only found in plant foods. This is something I did not know until after I went vegan. And it's very elementary. Only plant foods have fiber, and fiber is essential for a healthy body and a clean digestive system. Another thing I did not know was that only animal products contain cholesterol. Plants have plant sterols, meat tissue, muscle tissue, and milk, mammal milk, contains cholesterol, which means that even human milk has cholesterol. So we do get cholesterol when we're babies, but that's a healthy kind of cholesterol. It comes from human milk. Everything in human milk is designed for a human baby. Everything in cow milk is designed for a calf. Cow milk and human milk is formulated differently. It has the same ingredients, but on different levels and different properties. For instance, I read that the fat globules, however you say that word, are larger in cow milk than they are in human milk. So they're not digested as well. And they just kind of sit in the stomach when you drink cow milk. Because you're not a cow, you're a human. Cow milk was not designed for you to drink. You were designed to drink human milk. So only animal products contain cholesterol. Plants have no cholesterol. And only plant foods contain fiber. Fiber is good, dietary cholesterol is bad. Dietary cholesterol is the cholesterol you eat. Not counting human milk, because we already know that human milk is good for us. We're talking about dairy products, butter, cheese. By the way, cheese is one of the most fattening things on the planet to eat. If you want to get really huge, really fast, eat a lot of cheese. And think about how much cheese is used in the food industry. Cheez-Its, Doritos, those little crackers that are made out of cheese with peanut butter in them. Lots of chips have cheese on them. Cheese is completely unfamiliar to the body. Your body does not know what to do with it. It doesn't contain any fiber. It's got cholesterol in it. Cheese is just so bad for you. And believe me, I used to love cheese. I think all Americans probably love cheese. People all over the world eat cheese. And I did some research, and people have been eating cheese since pre-recorded history. People have been eating cheese since pre-recorded history. And people have also been getting obese since pre-recorded history. There are Egyptian hieroglyphs of large people. So obesity was around back then. As long as people have been eating dairy products, cheese and butter, they've been getting fat. It's not as if dairy at one point in time was not fattening. It has always been fattening. So I went off on a tangent about cheese. Anyway, cheese is very, very, very bad for you. If you can do one thing for your diet, for yourself today, cut out cheese. But the thing is, I wouldn't replace dairy cheese with another processed product. All processed products are really unrecognized by the body. So I basically decided when I went vegan that I just don't need any kind of cheese in my life, not even plant-based cheese. I mean, if you want to make something fresh at home for yourself, out of nuts or something, some kind of vegan recipe, healthy vegan recipe that contains only whole ingredients, not any kind of powder or syrup, anything unnatural like that, then you know that would be much better than eating the real thing, dairy cheese. But basically, whole foods are never going to make you fat. Powders and syrups and things like that, you don't really know. Because powders and syrups do not grow on plants. Mother Nature does not provide powders and syrups for us to eat. I'm not talking about sap, I'm talking about like agave syrup and things like that. So it's very easy. If you're determined, you really have to want it. You have to want it. That's so important. If you don't really want it, you're not going to be determined, you're not going to be persistent, and you're not going to reach your goal. This is something I really, 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 with all my heart, wanted for myself. And that's what's kept me going. That's what's given me the drive to resist food when it's right in front of me. To resist cooked food when all my family is eating it. And I say, no, thank you. I'm just going to have my raw plate. But it's really easy, as long as you have the will. Where there's a will, there's a way. That's so true. Okay, well, like I said yesterday, I meant to say day 21 instead of day 20. And this is day 22, and I only have 3.5 more pounds to go to reach my goal weight. I'm so excited. Finally down to the 120s. Feels good. Feels good to see progress. And hard work does pay off. Increasing my exercise time to 1 hour has definitely helped. So I'm going to go do that again today. It's a lovely morning. I hear the birds chirping. I'm going to take some peanuts and go feed the squirrels and go exercise in the park. Okay, so far so good. Thank you for watching.